Everyone likes to be at the front of the line. But what if there was no line? At Halton Honda, we're ensuring you have safe, contactless choices when it comes to servicing your Honda. First, call or visit us at haltonhonda.com and follow the prompts to book your service appointment. Sign in with a phone number or email. Choose your vehicle you want serviced and your service needs. Choose your appointment date and time. We'll even send you an email confirmation. With our new Service Kiosk, you can drop off your vehicle 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Just park your vehicle in one of our customer parking spots and use our red tower main entrance. The helpful voice prompts will guide you through the process.
Please enter your cell phone number, email address, or last name, then touch Next.
One of our secure drawers will open for you to place your keys in. We'll contact you when your service is finished. Once you've paid for your service online, we'll text or email you a PIN number.
Welcome back.
So you can pick up your keys and receipt right from the kiosk and at your convenience. Your vehicle will be parked close by in customer parking. Just one more way you have options when you bring your vehicle home to Halton Honda.